Hello, in this video we are going to solve this Maxi mini sum. Basically, if you analyze this question, what they are asking is to sum up all the elements in the array and remove the smallest element and remove the biggest element in the array. So whatever the whatever the value will be remaining, you have to print that. So we will just take Excel sheet to examine this, how this can be done. So here this is the example problem, that is these are the elements in the array. What we have to do is we have to sum up all those things, so you will get the sum as 15. And now what will be the, if I remove one element from this array, what will be the minimum size? So that will be 10. I will remove the biggest element in the array, 10. So 15 is equals to 15 minus 5, and here I will remove the smallest element in the array, that is 15 minus 1 is 14. So how we can write that in Java is, so here you have to understand one more thing, that is the array of elements is 10 to the power 9, which means long variable might be present in the array. So I will tell you two approaches to solve this. First one is during the sorting method, that is we will sort the array. I'll write it, so long sum equals to 0 arrays dot sort arr. Now what we will do is, first we will sort the array, that is suppose the array is 2 3 4 1 5, we will make it as 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now what we will do is we will remove the first element and the last element from the array. So that is system dot out dot println. So first what they have asked is to print the smallest number, which will happen. So if we have to get the smallest number, we have to delete the largest number in the array. So how can we delete the biggest number in the array? Is like arr. So first we have to find out the sum of all those things. For int I equals to 0, I less than arr dot plus equals to arr of I. Now sum minus arr of, now I will write this inside the bracket. So sum minus arr of arr dot length minus 1. Why I am writing this arr of arr dot length minus 1 is, this arr dot length gives us the length of the array, that is totally 5, minus 1 because as the indexes starts to, as the elements in the array starts storing from index 0, so here 1 is stored at index 0. With the help of Excel you can understand this. So this is at index 0 1 2 3 4. So these are its indexes, right? So we want the last element in the array, that is index 4. So arr dot length gives us the total length of the array minus 1, that is on which index it is present, minus 1, and plus double quotes plus, again I have to open the bracket because Java treats this as a string. So now I will write sum minus arr of 0. As this is the sorted array, the first element will be always the smallest element in the array. So we will remove the first element in the array. We will run the code. So you can see all the test cases will be passed. So this is the approach 1, which will take time of n log n. So I will tell you one more approach which is much faster than this. So now what we will do is again same long sum equals to 0 for int I equals to 0, I less than arr dot I plus plus sum plus equals to arr of I. Now what we will do is we will take some more elements, that is long min is equals to we will keep some high value, that is actually we are supposed to write like int integer dot max underscore value comma and max is equals to integer dot min underscore value. This we write because to test the edge cases. I will explain it later. So now what we will do is, now we will loop through, now we have taken the now we will loop through this array and find out the minimum and maximum. So now what we will do is we will loop into this array and find out the minimum and maximum array element in the array and just subtract it, so we can get the same output as we got without sorting. So this will be much faster technique. So max is equals to math dot max so max comma arr of I. So what this happens is this function math.max compares compare two variables, that is arr of I and max. So initially we have assigned max to integer or min value. This will be around something like minus 32,000, that is the whatever integer can hold the least value will be stored. So this will return the whichever is the greatest among these two will be returned in the max. And now what we can do is min is equals to math dot min min comma arr of I. Now we will just simply write system dot out dot println arr of sum minus max plus sum minus min. So this we have to write it like this because it is treating as string. Okay, so you can see all the test cases we have passed.